Where do I need to look in order to find what I'm going to write for my R? I need to look. That's right, because all I'm doing is what? Phrasing. Read it together. Read your RA together. Go.
This is sometimes called
Because. So, what is your reasoning though? Because, finish it. Because, what did you actually write? They are similar. So, now all we have to do is rephrase that for our conclusion sentence. Let's choose a sentence starter and then we're going to rephrase. What sentence starter are we going to use? Let me choose somebody who has not chosen one. Jasmine Harris. What sentence starter are we going to use for our concluding statement, our rephrasing? Shh. Which one do you want to choose? In conclusion, this is why. Come around here, Jaden, so you can see this. Which one do you want to use? To sum it up?
Right here, Mr. Levels.
Okay. Yes, right there is fine. You want to use to sum it up? Is that what you pointed to?
To sum it up.
Okay, so tell us which one you want to use. We want to hear your voice. Go. It's okay. Don't be shy. Thank you. To sum it up, everybody write that. Go. To sum it up. Okay. To sum it up, now let's put our comma down there. Remember, make sure you include that comma. Okay, to sum it up, comma. Now, we're rephrasing, but we're still going to use the same restatement in our concluding sentence. So what do we need to say to start that final piece of our sentence? Let's go, Taylor Young. To sum it up, comma, go. Venus is sometimes called. You don't need me to tell you. All you have to do is look back at what you already wrote, because you're just rephrasing. Right. We're gonna borrow that restatement phrase. It's sometimes called Earth's sister because what? And then we're going to rephrase it. So instead of saying similar, we're going to say that in a slightly different way. And we will be done. Because what? What are we going to say? In our first sentence, we said that because what? What did we say in our first sentence?
Because they are similar.
Because they are similar. So let's say that in a different way. Let's rephrase that.
Because they are alike.
We already, now he put alike, so he can't say that again. You all, if you didn't put a like for your explain, you can use a like.
I put a like.
You did? So if you put a like, let's switch it up. What's another word we can say?
The same?
You can say this. Oh, are they exactly the same?
No.
No. They're, instead of saying the same, we could just say they are.
Similar?
We already said similar.
Not like.
We already said alike. So we can say same, but we have to put something in front of it to let people know that they're not exactly the same. So what will we say? If I stood up, come here, Robbie, stand up. Watch this. Put it on me, Jay. Watch this. Me and Robbie, let's say I was this height, right? Now, you wouldn't say we're the same height. What would you say? Robbie, you and Mr. Jason are, there, you can say it again? Let's go. So what are we going to say? Instead of saying the same, we're going to say,
about the same.
Let's go. Go. Well done. Thank you, sir. Go ahead and write it. Because they are about the same. Well done. Excellent work, students.